Yamaha Clavinova CVP 96. On the back, remove the plastics. You will see 3 screws. Remove these 3 screws. Slide and lift the top cover. Remove these 2 screws. Lift and take out the sliding cover. Loose the screws of the metal case. Lift the metal case. Remove the screw of the ferrite core. Disconnect the connector. Disconnect these 2 connectors as well. OK, done. Disconnect this connector. Remove the power connector to the panel. OK, done. Remove all screws on top of the button panel. All cables disconnected? Lift the panel. Loose all screws holding the keyboard. Remove all brackets. Like this. Don't forget the 2 side screws. Second side screw. Remove the plastic cover on the left side. And the plastic cover on the right side. Lift the keyboard carefully and remove the connector. Now you can remove the keyboard. The red contact strip is the new one. Loose the screws holding the 2 print boards. Disconnect the 2 print boards. OK, done. There is the old green rubber strip. Remove the plastic hole strip. Remove the old contact strip. Turn the keyboard upwards. Insert a stick to lock all keys. Flip the keyboard to proceed. This new ribbon has no holes yet. Place the strips top of each other. Create 2 holes. There is a left and right side. OK, it fits. Put back the plastic hole strip. Put back the 2 prints. Put back the screws. Connect the 2 prints again. OK, done. See the difference on the endings. Remove the key blocking material. It's time to put back the keyboard. Take care of the loose connector. Connect the connector again. The keyboard is back in place. Put back the keyboard screws. The keyboard screws are fixed. Put back the plastic left cover. Put back the plastic right cover. Fix them with the screws. Put back the metal brackets. I used a long screwdriver. Put back the button panel. Slide in the button panel from back to front. OK, done. Connect this connector. Connect this connector. Fix the ferrite part with screw. Connect this small connector. And this connector. Put back all panel screws. Don't forget the 2 screws left and right. Put back the metal box. Fix it with the screws. Now put back the sliding cover. Adjust the left, right side of the cover. Fix the cover by placing back this part. OK, done. Place back the wooden top cover. Slide the cover from front to back. Put in the 3 screws. Looks like a charm. Made by Digizon.